What's up, everyone? Today we're going to be reviewing the MagBak case alongside the MagBak wallet. We're going to be doing three parts. One is the design and the durability of the wallet and the case. Two is the functionality, and three is the price. Let's go. So I wanted to touch on the design and the durability of the case first. The design I am personally a huge fan of. Very sleek. I believe MagBak claims it's about 10% additional thickness to your phone. It's a soft touch silicone. They have the MagBak logo right there on the back. They also designed it with air cushioned corners for any drops or impact that the phone may have. I have personally tested this over the last year. It works. I've never had a shattered screen with this case on the phone. The buttons are clickable. When you have the wallet, it goes on like that. It aligns perfectly. I've had no issues with alignment, whereas the MagSafe is a circular design, so it can kind of swivel around. This is a rectangular or square design, if you will. So the alignment is always spot on. It never moves left or right, up or down. And these magnets are very strong, guys. I mean, they are strong magnets. They say there are 12 embedded magnets.
So before we move on from the design of the case, I did want to mention that back when the iPhone 12 and 12 Pro were released in the fall, MagBak actually shipped out their cases a week before they were released. So I did pre-order and they sent me this blue one that you're seeing here. But you'll notice that the edges are not quite snug to the phone. It is more of a rounded shape, and the tops and the bottoms have the same issue as well. So there was some kind of miscalculation there on MagBak's part. I reached out to them via email immediately. They responded within 24 hours, and they let me know that they were working on a fix and that they'd ship out a case at no additional charge, of course, and I could just keep this case and not have to send it back. So that's where the black one does fit correctly to the phone. So if you're watching this video in March of 2021, you should have no worries if you are looking to purchase this case and wallet combination. The cases do now fit snug to the phone, as you've seen in the video. I did want to show you this color combination as well with the wallet. This is the same combination I had with my iPhone 11 Pro. Love the color combination, but I wanted a more stealthy look when I got a second chance to order a case. So that's why I opted for black second time around.
So let's talk a little bit about the design of the actual wallet as well. This too is very slim and sleek looking. They have very nice stitching on each side. You can tell it's just a well-made quality leather that MagBak uses. MagBak includes a finger loop on the back of the wallet, and I know a lot of people are not a fan of that. I am, clearly. I've kept it on. If you're not, you can actually just take scissors and cut it right off, and it'll come out and you don't have to deal with the loop. The other thing real quick to mention about the loop is you can take out these stitchings if you need a bigger finger loop. So one thing I want to show you guys is you actually don't need to take the wallet off of the phone to get your cards out. So when I go to the store and I need to get my card, you push up from the bottom and the card comes out just like that. It's very easy to put back in as well. You slide it in, push them down. The wallet is very secure on the phone. It's not going to be flopping around, and you're good to go. They've actually carved out sides. Get those cards up and spread them to see what you have and put them back in. So it kind of allows you grip on the top, and it comes out pretty easily, and they stay in securely as well. MagBak actually built in an RFID blocker, so you don't have to worry about the security of your credit cards when you're using this wallet. If you do end up purchasing this wallet, give it some time to break in. Okay, next let's talk about functionality of this case and wallet combination. So first, I've already touched on it a little bit, but the strength of the magnets that MagBak uses, I think it's unrivaled by anybody else. So with strong magnets, this actually gives you the ability to mount the phone and the wallet in your car when you're driving. So I've been using this combination for about a year and a half, and the phone has never fallen off because the magnets are so strong. I personally like my phone in portrait when I'm driving, so I take my wallet off and put it in a cup holder or a secure spot when I get in my car, and I put the phone on the mount. It's probably the most minimal car mount that you'll find on the market. So MagBak includes two mag sticks, I believe is what they call them, included with the case. So I have installed one in my car, and I've actually installed one in my shower, because I like to listen to podcasts, watch some YouTube videos, and listen to music. So the kickstand functionality is really nice to have. You can do it in portrait mode, or you can do it in landscape mode. It's a bit difficult to do it in landscape mode just because of the sheer angle. Let's talk about price. The case goes for $45 and the wallet goes for $49. So it's a more affordable solution than Apple's case and wallet MagSafe solution. And typically MagBak will have 15% off discounts here and there. So just be on the lookout for that if you're looking to buy the wallet or the case or both. So you're looking at around $94 total before tax, whereas Apple's would be around $108 before tax. So it is a cheaper combination. So hope you enjoyed the video. Give me a thumbs up and subscribe. See you guys next time.